Hi everyone, welcome to Math Channel. I'm Carlos, your math teacher, and in today's class we're going to remember an important topic. I'm going to share with you our today's topic. Just a second. Now I'm sharing with you our topic. You can see here, greatest common factor and least common multiplier. Let's move on and to learn about that or remember about that through exercise or example that you can remember and figure out about a situation that probably you already have met before in your scholar years. Let's go. Consider the numbers 36 and 64. What is the ratio of their least common multiply to their greatest common factor? You have here the options. You can choose just one option, but to solve this kind of problem, you need to figure out about the least common multiple and the greatest common factor. Let's go. Let's remember here about least common multiple and the greatest common factor. We have here both numbers that we pick up from our exercise. We can divide both for prime numbers. Divided by 2, we get 18 and the third 2. More one time, divided by 2, we get 9 and 16. Divided by 2 again. The 9, just copy it, and the divided by 2, we get 8. Divided by 2 again. More one time, just copy 9. And here we get 4. Divided by 2. We copy more one time, and we get here 2. And more one divided by 2. We get just 9, just copy it. And then 2 divided by 2, we get here 1. And then now divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, we get 3. And the 3 divided by 3, we get 1 and the 1 in the end. We finished here, and we can multiply the factors. 2 times 2, we get 4, times 2, we get 8, times 2, we get 16, times 2, 13, times 2, 64, times 3, in the end we get 576. We found here the least common multiple. All right? But we need to find the greatest common factor. A good way to do this, to save time, I'm going to change the color just to highlight to you. You can choose just the factors that you use to divide both at the same time. For example, here we divided it by 2, and we get 18 and 32. Here we divided by 2 again, and we get 9 and 16. We can stop here because the next factors, you are going to see that you are going to divide just 1 or 9 or 8 or just one side by time. Then you can stop here, and you can find by By multiply these factors, 2 times 2, you can get the result 4, and you find the greatest common factor 4. And we can finish our problem by get the ratio between them by dividing them both. We get here 144 as a result. We get the final result. Here I'm going to show you the next slide. Just a second, I'm going to just move on. You can hear now. Again, our problem. I'm going to write again the results that we got in the previous slide. We get 576 as a result when we calculate the least common multiple, and we get 4 as a result when we find the greatest common factor. As a result, we have 144. Here we find out the result 144, the alternative D, and we have resolved our problem. That's it. We remember here 2 basic concepts about least common multiple and the greatest common factor. You can do both at the same time by doing a lot of divisions, and you get just a few factors that are dividing both at the same time, and you multiply and you get the greatest common factor. And we multiply all factors, you get the least common multiple. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you later.